What up, y'all? It's Coach MeannaDK, and today we are diving into the world of overnight chia pudding. Yes, overnight chia pudding. It is tasty. It is grab and go. It holds for 4 or 5 days, and oh my goodness, it is so good. Okay, so we're gonna make it about, 3 or 4 ways today. The base that we're gonna use though is gonna be a combination of coconut cream and oat milk, simply because I like the balance that it gives in terms of thickness. Before we get started, let's talk about why overnight chia pudding is so beneficial. Well, the first thing is it has a lot of fiber. So it's gonna make you feel more full for a longer amount of time than just grabbing a banana or grabbing whatever else, okay? The second thing is it's loaded with a gang of omega-3 fatty acids, a gang of protein, and a gang of essential nutrients, okay? And the last thing, which is the thing that I find most beneficial, unlike other puddings, there are no forever chemicals in it, there are no preservatives in it, and there are no refined sugars in it. So you have the added benefit of knowing that you're going the healthy route and it still tastes good. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into it.
One of the things I love most about overnight chia pudding is how fully customizable it is. You really can add anything to this and make it what you want. I'm starting by cutting up a little bit of mango that I had left over, and I'm using coconut cream and oat milk as my base. Now, if the budget don't allow, I will just grab a can of coconut milk and call it a day, okay? I will add pure vanilla extract as my base all the time. I won't deviate from that. And to sweeten it, I generally go with maple syrup. You're gonna see me stir this a few different times. You gotta stir it more than once before it settles. So I'm gonna start with some cinnamon apples and add some mango to one of those. And really, I just kind of went with however I felt this day. I'm for sure a chocolate girl, so I'm always gonna have one that has cocoa powder in there. Some I'll add peanut butter to, some I'll add bananas to, but I will get some cocoa powder in there. Some I'll go ahead and do a tropical feel to, like you see I'm doing like the mango right there and the coconut. That's gonna taste delicious, I promise you. And for the rest, I'm going with whatever I have left over. Some banana and coconut, chocolate, banana, and coconut. And once you do them, you just gotta let them sit overnight. Stir occasionally.
It's the next day, and I'm ready to try it. So here we go. You can see the texture is real pudding-like. That's delicious. It's cinnamony, vanilla-y, coconut-y. Now, you can always play with the thickness of it. It could be a lot thinner if you want. Just add more milk. It can be a lot thicker if you want. Add less milk, okay? Now, let me know if you enjoy chia pudding. Is this something that you like to do? What are some of your favorite additives? You saw, I like cocoa powder. I like a wide range of things. What do you add to yours? Drop down in the comments and let me know. And I might do it in one of the upcoming videos. But until next time though, I'm MeannaDK and I love y'all. I swear I do.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check me out at Thickness Fitness across all socials and visit my website, thicknessfitness.com. I love y'all. I swear I do.